G'day guys, Ollie and I are down here with the bokchoi, which has gone to seed and it's looking fantastic. The bees are here doing some awesome pollination, and I was going to chop this back today and I've decided not to because these bees are having a great feed. It's just buzzing. It's fantastic. There's also other little creatures in here, little wasps, also pollinating. There's a little one there. A little hard to focus on. They're very, very busy. That's awesome. Guys, I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to wait. I'm happy for these bees to have something to eat. There's not a lot else out here that's got flowers on it, so I'm happy to collect some more seeds. This is my first harvest of this bokchoi, and I'm doing adaptation gardening. They will adapt to these conditions really quickly, and those seeds will be even better than the plants that have just come up, which were fantastic, to be honest. I've given a lot away, and it just keeps coming. So, taking some advice from people like David the Good and Mark from Self-Sufficient Me. It's a lot that's very, very interesting and so much to learn still. I'm loving it. Just hanging out here in the sunshine with Ollie, who's chasing lizards still. There is no end to the fun, and I love it. We're all happy. I'm very, very blessed.